So, hi Dishari, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good too. So, first of all, many congratulations for your recent admit. And how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling really good and excited and thrilled. Thank you so much.
Good to know, good to know. So, let's start with the interview. So, my first question with you is how was your overall experience with MIMSA?
The overall experience in one word would be very smooth and I was excellent because I got everything at one fingertip. And MIMSA was working with me for the past 3 to 4 months, and it was very smooth. I got everything team nice.
Good to know. So, as you have told me about their process, so please let me know how did they add value in your application? As in, you can tell me about how did your add it in your profile or in your essays or how they have consulted
Yeah.
you. Yeah, you can tell me that.
The first and the foremost thing would be the way they have analyzed my entire profile and highlighted my strengths over my weaknesses. Okay, so my profile was not really that perfect, but then again, by writing the SOPs perfectly and everything, they helped me a lot. And eventually, not only with the essays, with the LORs as well, they had helped me. And the most important thing was the interviews, the mock interviews, which helped me a lot. I got to learn a lot,
Good to know. Good
so
to know.
that I'm absolutely prepared for the main interviews.
Good. So you have told me about our in-house consultant, alumni consultants, in-house editor.
Yeah.
So please tell me, this is a bit difficult question. So please tell me, what did you like the best about our services?
The best services will be the fact that I got my answers right on time. I mean, if I had any doubt, I got my answers right on time. If I had to edit my SOPs, I got it right on time. And if I have to take a mock interview, if I need suggestions regarding my mock interview, I got it right. So there was no panic session in between, like when will I get it? My deadline is going to be over. Nothing. So it was really scheduled well and structured and organized well. That is the best, I would say.
Very good to know. So, and can you please tell me any one tip or any guideline for anyone who is applying abroad?
Focus on your strengths. Whatever has happened before, forget about it. Focus on your strengths. Build your profile more and trust in my MSA. They are going to do the
Thank you
best
so
for
much.
you. Yeah, they're going to do the best for you. And whatever time you have, build on it a lot more. Do courses. Focus on your SOP. Focus on your LOR. Do not keep on thinking about your CGPA if that is low. I mean, in my case, it was not that low, but then I do not keep thinking on your about your CGPA. Focus more on what is going to come and rather than what has already happened.
So yeah, MIMSA helped you a lot on your strengths or weaknesses and helped you to pinpoint your strengths, weaknesses, or your extracurricular activities and how to elaborate
Yes.
on them as on leadership aspects, problem solving aspects, right?
Yes. So basically, what happens is that sometimes we do certain work, certain internships, or like certain extracurricular activities, and we don't even know that we can add that in a very structured way into our CV or into our resume. So MIMSA, what they did the best for me is that they analyzed my entire profile, pinpoint out everything. Like this can be added here, that can be added there, and beautifully structured my entire application right before the deadline. Not right before the deadline, actually way before the deadline, so that everything is submitted right on time. So yeah, that was very important for me.
Good to know. So my final question with you will be, so will you be recommending MIMSA to the people who are applying studying abroad? And
Yes.
okay, so what will be the key point you explain that it is our US, so what will be?
Yeah, I will definitely recommend MIMSA undoubtedly, and I think one should trust the education counselor totally. Give them the right information on time because they are doing a fabulous job for you. And yeah, that's all. Go ahead.
Thank you so much for your time, and I hope that your abroad experience will be as much blossom and good as much as your experience with us right now.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.